In 1915, Frank Donaldson Sr. developed a simple air cleaner to solve a farmer's tractor engine problem. Nearly 1 century of product engineering and hands-on experience has followed. In that time, the Donaldson Company has developed a comprehensive lineup of air cleaners and accessories for engines operating in every possible work environment around the globe. This module is a review of accessories that protect and enhance air cleaner performance. Inlet hoods, or rain caps as they're known in some areas, provide protection against ingestion of rain, snow, and large debris. They are used both on-road and off-road and mount on the stack or directly on the air cleaner with one clamp. The stack-top moisture eliminator for on- and off-road cab-over-engine trucks features built-in water separator technology to prevent moisture problems. As the air spins, more than 80% of the moisture is separated from the airflow. The low-maintenance full-view pre-cleaner helps extend filter life on agricultural and construction equipment. The centrifugal force inside the bowl separates up to 75% of incoming dust before it enters the engine air intake system. Before you decide on a low-maintenance full-view model, check the advantages of the maintenance-free Donaldson Topspin. The Donaldson Topspin provides all of the moisture and debris protection of an inlet hood, plus another very valuable feature: pre-cleaning of the air. It is also self-emptying. The topspin separates up to 85% of overall contaminant and more than 99% of contaminant particles 20 micron in size and above. These are reasons why the topspin will extend primary air filter life, boost air cleaner efficiency, and extend engine life. It is made aerodynamically of durable, non-corroding material, and it is easy to install with no wiring or power requirements. Another vital accessory is the vacuator valve, which is standard on the majority of Donaldson air cleaners. It is made in a variety of sizes and is an integral part of the pre-cleaning stage of two-stage air cleaners. Normal engine vacuum pulsing causes the vacuator valve to open and close and automatically expel dust and water. For the longest filter service life, replace damaged or missing vac valves, as they're also called, immediately. Replace it if damaged or if it looks like any of these photos. Without proper vac valve protection, dust particles that are normally expelled can deposit themselves onto the filter and will shorten air filter service life. For proper operation, the vacuator valve should be located at the lowest point on the air cleaner or dust cup and should be pointing down. Never paint the vacuator valve, and remember that solvents and chemicals will shorten its usable life. If the vacuator valve is torn, shredded, or turned inside out, its durometer may be too soft for your application. Choose a model with a higher number, which means it has a harder durometer. Conversely, if the vacuator valve doesn't empty itself properly, the durometer may be too hard. Choose one with a lower number or softer durometer. Your Donaldson distributor or representative can help you determine which vac valve is best for your application. The Dust Dump-It tube extension offers improved dust evacuation from the air cleaner, as well as greater safety and efficiency. It is compatible with PowerCore PSD, SSG, and SRG air cleaners, and is available in Dust Dump-It kits. The Dust Dump-It is an effective addition or replacement to your existing dust cup assembly. When installed on the dust cup, the Dust Dump-It rubber connector vibrates during normal vehicle operation, and gravity assists in dust expulsion. The clear tube also allows for visual inspection of dust collection levels. On large off-road machines, this is much safer and more time-efficient than hands-on inspection with ladders or elevated platforms. We now turn to scavenged flow pre-cleaner systems designed for vehicles operating in extreme heavy dust conditions. These systems harness exhaust energy to scavenge or draw contaminant from the intake airflow and automatically eject it via the exhaust. The highly effective Donaldson StrataCap is a scavenge pre-cleaner and rain cap in one, which operates with no moving parts. Suitable even for challenging fine dust environments, the StrataCap expels 96% of dust and debris through the vehicle's exhaust system. Another remarkably effective scavenged pre-cleaner is the Donaldson. The Donaldson removes up to 90% of the dirt and contaminant before it reaches the filter. It is designed with no moving parts for use in very heavy dust and debris environments which threaten air cleaner performance. This includes agricultural applications on tractors, combines, and harvesters. Like the StrataCap, the Donaldson extends primary filter life and helps avoid downtime. The unit mounts on top of the air inlet stack. To create a scavenged flow system, combine the StrataCap or Donaldson with an exhaust ejector and an ejector check valve. Donaldson now offers two styles of compact ejectors constructed of heavy-gauge aluminized steel. The compact ejector style is designed to reduce space while still maintaining the necessary exhaust flows needed for scavenge systems. There are other Donaldson accessories which protect air cleaners from damaging moisture. These include the horizontal inline moisture skimmer with vacuator valve. It mounts in the engine air intake ducting and removes over 80% of water before it can reach and damage the filter. When a truck is temporarily being used in heavier than anticipated dust or moisture conditions, you may be able to use a Donaldson inline separator instead of changing air cleaners. Installing a horizontal or vertical inline separator in your single-stage air cleaner system effectively creates a two-stage air filtration system. This enables an on-highway vehicle, which usually sees only light dust, to be simply and economically adapted to off-road conditions where medium to heavy dust is encountered. It is not, however, intended as a solution in constant heavy dust conditions. The Donaldson series of air cleaner system accessories is comprehensive. It includes vibration isolating connectors, rubber elbows and reducers, air rams, breathers, air stack extensions, intake tubing, mounting bands, and clamps are also part of the series. Also included are mounting components specially designed for the FPG and FPG Alexan air cleaners. These mounting bands have tabs on the inside circumference which fit exactly into notches on the FPG housing. To learn more about our accessories, visit your Donaldson dealer or your regional Donaldson website. Select Engine and Vehicle Product Literature, and then the Engine Air Intake Systems Catalog. This servicing information is provided as a best practices guide. It is not, however, intended to replace or supersede the service instructions supplied by your engine or vehicle manufacturer.